Get loan against shares online in just 15 minutes by completing these simple steps. Visit our website or download the app and sign up. Enter your name, mobile number and email address to register. Read terms or condition, check the box tapped next to proceed further. Verify your mobile number with OTP. Now same way verify your email address to authenticate. Now you will be asked for set PIN for your loan account. Enter your MPIN to view the dashboard. To proceed further, tap on Loan Against Shares. Tap on Apply Now. Complete your KYC via DigiLocker or by manually uploading your PAN and Aadhaar card. Use DigiLocker to experience a seamless application process. Now let's authenticate your Aadhaar card to proceed further. Enter your Aadhaar number and type the code available below. Give all the required access to DigiLocker to fetch the documents. Now smile and upload your selfie. Your KYC process is completed. Check the prompt and proceed to fill up additional details. Add a referral code if you are recommended by an advisor. Enter your bank account details. Continue to pledging process via NSDL. Enter your client ID and DP ID. Now you will be taken to NSDL page for an OTP authentication. Post login, you will be able to see all your shares held in the Demat account. Check the eligible loan amount against collateral and submit. Review the application details before confirmation. Read and accept NSDL terms and conditions. Confirm pledge request with OTP authenticate. Post this, your request will be sent to your DP for approval. Once approved by your DP, your pledge process is successful. Enter the required loan amount. Confirm pledge request with OTP authentication. Check your requested amount and eligible amount against it. Tap Proceed. Now you will be redirected to the mandate process. Enter net banking details for the transaction. Once you get redirected to net banking page, enter your customer ID and tap on Continue. Your autopay request has been submitted. Now check your application summary. Read your loan agreement and do the A sign. Congratulations, your overdraft facility is successfully created. This is how easy it is to get loan against mutual funds in within minutes from Mirae Asset Financial Services. Visit the website mcare.com or download the Mirae Asset Financial Services app Play Store or App Store.